In today's video, you will learn Duolingo, how to reset or restart course. If you want to completely restart a language course on Duolingo and erase all of your progress so you can begin again from the start, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. This can be useful if you have not practiced for a long time, if you want a fresh start, or if you simply want to go back through the lessons from the beginning again. As you can see, progress has already been made in this language course. However, resetting a course is not something that can currently be done inside the Duolingo mobile app. The option is only available through the web version of Duolingo, so you will need to use a web browser for this process. Once you are on the Duolingo website, sign into your account using your login details. After logging in successfully, you will need to go directly to a specific settings page that contains the language reset options. Hover to More tab, then click Settings. Then on the right side, go to Courses. When the page opens, you will see the languages connected to your account along with options to manage them. From here, you can choose to reset the language course you want to restart. Before continuing, keep in mind that resetting a course is permanent. Once the progress has been erased, there is no way to undo it or recover your previous lessons, streak progress within that course, or completed units. To continue with the reset, select the Reset option beside the language you want to restart. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure you want to continue. Confirm the reset, and the course progress will immediately be cleared back to the beginning. If your account contains multiple languages, you may also notice an option to remove languages completely from your profile. However, if you only have one language on your account, Duolingo will not allow you to delete it entirely. After the reset is complete, the next time you use Duolingo, the language course will appear as brand new. You will then be given the option to either start from scratch or take a placement test to find your current level. You can then begin the course again from the very first lesson and work through it at your own pace. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Duolingo tips and tutorials.